LearnCast. My name is Angela Toch, and today we will be discussing solutions, colloids, suspensions, and separation techniques for these mixtures. To begin, let's talk about a basic intro into solutions. So solutions are made up of two things. We have solvents, which are what you are dissolving substances in. Usually this is water. And you have the second part, solutes, which is what is being dissolved. Typically, the solutes is the lesser amount. So for example, if we have salt water, water is the solvent and salt is the solute. And now let's focus on what colloids and suspensions are, and how they specifically relate to and differ from solutions. We'll talk about their particle size, uniformity, retainment or lack thereof during filtration, effect gravity has on them, effect of light, specifically through the Tyndall effect, and an example of each. So first, the Tyndall effect is when you can see light in or through a mixture. An example of this is when you can see headlights through fog or water vapor. We will discuss how much of a Tyndall effect solutions, colloids, and suspensions give off. So back to our solutions, we already know about them. They have a small particle size in a homogeneous mixture, which means it looks like one uniform substance. A solution also has no substances retained during filtration. Gravity has no effect on separation, meaning the substance is very stable. And there is no light scattering or no Tyndall effect because the particles are so small that light particles cannot penetrate through. So example of a solution is salt water. Next, we have colloids. Colloids have a medium particle size, so a little bit bigger than a solution. They are borderline between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. They have no substances retained during filtration. Gravity has no effect on separation, meaning that the substance is also stable, just like with solutions. However, there is a large Tyndall effect. This is different than with solutions. The reason that colloids have such a large Tyndall effect is because the particles are larger and more uniform throughout the mixture. An example of this is with whole milk. And lastly, we have suspensions. Suspensions have a very large particle size. They are a heterogeneous mixture, meaning it has layered or distinct layers of different substances within that one substance. And it has substances retained during filtration. Additionally, suspensions have a sediment formed under gravity, meaning that the substance is unstable. And there is a slight Tyndall effect because some particles are large, but some are small. So this varying degree makes it hard for the light to penetrate through. An example of this is muddy water. So for our second topic, let's discuss separation techniques. First, we have settling. Settling is when gravity does all the work for you. This is because of different densities, and a good example for settling is with suspensions because it has heterogeneous mixtures. Next, we have filtration. Filtration is based on solubility and particle sizes. So we can see that there is no filtration with solutions, however, there is filtration with suspensions. And some other separation techniques, so that you're aware of them, includes distillation, which focuses on boiling points based on different bonds between molecules, chromatography, which uses polarity differences, and magnetism, which focuses on magnetic properties like sand and iron. So all in all, solutions are small, colloids can have a Tyndall effect, and suspensions are suspicious because they're much different than solutions and colloids due to filtration, uniformity, and gravity effects. This little trick can help you differentiate between the differences of mixtures and how they are affected by different separation techniques. Thank you for joining me for our review of solutions, colloids, suspensions, and separation techniques for these mixtures. Be sure to follow us on Spotify, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check our website to stay up to date with the latest releases. Until next time, listen, learn,